Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth. Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Yeah, hello. Hello.
Hey, hi Rishi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. So
How are you? Like, what? How's the reading going?
I'm looking at gold. I'm looking at gold.
Okay.
I'm looking for a sell on gold. Basically, just took out the liquidity above the structure. You can share the screen. I'll be sharing my screen in just 3 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
Right.
Hello, guys. Hope you're fine. Sorry for the delay. Okay. So I'll just share my analysis on gold. Let's go from higher time frame. So gold is actually in a very good support level, and like this is in 4 hours time frame, and I'm moving to the 1 hour time frame. Now we can able to see that the market from the support level, there is a strong displacement on the higher side, which broke the previous swings, and the momentum is also good in 1 hour time frame. Let's move to the lower time frame further. Look at this candle. So even in 15 minutes time frame, we can able to see the market took out the liquidity sweep, and the market is continuously making higher rise, and you can able to see a strong displacement over here, and it broke the previous swing highs. So clearly that the market is bullish. Now what we have to do is we have to wait for retracement to happen. Then we can enter in buy side in a discounted price. So this will be my trade plan for gold as of now. But I need a retracement to happen. so that I sorry, so that I'll enter into the trade. And also I've seen Euro USD too. Euro USD is also looking good. I'll share my analysis on Euro. Hold it. Look at this. Now the move is so beautiful. Look at the moves on the upside. The series of up close candle with a very good closing and the momentum is also good. Now again, entering at highs is very risky. It's better you have to wait for a retracement to happen, like similar to gold. Then you can enter the buy side in a discounted price. So this is my analysis on Euro USD as well as gold. If you don't have any doubts, please sorry, please make sure to ask in the chat box. I'll clear all your doubts. I'm audible, right? Sorry.
All right, Rishi, I can share my screen as well if you want.
Yeah, sure. Share screen. Yeah, share screen now.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna bring my community in on the session. Let's go. Okay. So, so basically, like in London session, uh, I had a live session with my community, and I said that there are two possibilities on gold. The possibility number one was that gold it taps into this zone right here, and it just drops all the way back down to make a lower low, at least at least down to the lows of yesterday. Okay, that was the first thought process. And the second thought process that I shared with the guys that was that the price section it can possibly take out Asian highs. Today Asian highs, which is you see right here, it's 4710 was Asian highs, and after taking out Asian highs, liquidity it can drop again, right? So the way I see it, it did give an initial reaction from the first zone right here from 4696 to 4676, which is probably I believe like it's 200 pips of a move, right? Now, my second bias like is also playing out, in which price section did took out the Asian liquidity, but the way I see it, there's only one candle, 130-minute candle closed below this, right? So right now, I gotta have to wait to see. I have to wait for confirmations to get to know if it's a displacement or it's a liquidity sweep above the Asian highs, right? This is something like I'm waiting for, because if you look at the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour candle is closing in 34 minutes. You with me, Rishi?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the 4 hour candle is closing in 34 minutes. And I do believe like if it can close below this 4710, below or below Asian highs, there's a high possibility that the next 4 hour candle will be moving down like this, right? And at the same time, if we just simply look at the 4 hour structure, like there, I do see there's a very minor fair value gap right here. If you look right, okay. And at the same time, the 4700 level is a psychological level. If you see the current 1 hour candle, price action pushed down to 4701 and it rejected, right? So for me, in order to get into a sell right now, I would want to see a candle. either 15-minute, 5-minute, or 30-minute to close below 4700 in order to uh, go in a sell position all the way back to this 4780s. No doubt the volume is strange, but I'm only going to take a sell below this 47. Write it right here. Sells below 4700 with closure. Only with closure, like again, it closes below 4700. Maybe something like this. Candle closes below, then a pullback, and then boom, we drop all the way back to Asian lows. So price action basically talking about in terms of liquidities, session liquidities. We took out the Asian liquidity, and I'm expecting if there is confirmation, then we will be taking out Asian lows, right? And my bias is bearish as long as we are not breaking above this 4740. My bias is bearish. Let's look at the 5 minute time frame. This looks a very good area right here for a short. Let's look at the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, I'm gonna go in a sell, boys, from here. I'm gonna go in a sell from here with a very stop loss above the this highs 4717, and my target is going to be yep 1 to 2 right here. I'll see on the 1 minute time frame if I can refine this stop loss. Okay, so what I can do is I can do dynamic risk on this trade, which means like maximum I'm willing to risk on this setup is 0.50%, but I'm in only with 0.20% risk. Okay, total risk and rest 0.30% risk. I'll add at the break of 4704. Okay, so this is the game plan right here. So we're targeting down to these lows right here. Let's see. And through this dynamic, like most of the times I do this, like when I don't have a confirmation but I see a setup, in order to tackle that, like I just do dynamic risk. I go in with risk, and I only add more risk when I get the confirmation. When I get the confirmation through this, like if I lose a trade, technically I'm losing half. Okay, and it puts me in a position to give my setup or trade a second chance. Oh, it's taking some. As of now, like it seems to be low probability to me. 30 people from my community joined the session. Wow. Right here, very good rejection from this point. Very good rejection. Are you guys with me?
Also, like if you don't have any doubts related to concepts or technical, you can just ask in the chat box. We'll try to answer all your questions.
Okay, boys, we are getting a sniper rejection here. We're getting a sniper rejection here. Man, come on! I just want to see it break below this lows and like fucking drop. If it's a clean TP, boys, if it's a clean 1 to 2 from this point, I might call it a session.
We need a strong break below the lows.
Okay, I hope it just drops. Okay, so we are getting rejections, good rejections. Yeah, boys, I'm adding more risk to this position, by the way, from here as well. Because technically, if it drops, it's going to be very good. Like even if I get like 80 pips out of this, oh my god, nice! Let's go, boys. Let's go. Now, based on this, my point one will be that's the point where I'll okay, it dropped, boys. 1 to 1.
Your voice is
I'll
breaking, Kashif.
secure. Sorry,
Your voice is breaking.
is it good now? Hello.
Yeah, it's fine.
All right, guys. So at 1 to 1, I'm not gonna be securing partials, but I will be moving my stops to break even. It's up to you if you guys want to secure partials. 1 to 1, SL to BE. Or I'm just gonna narrow down the stop loss now. Stop loss above NY highs, guys. Stop loss above NY highs. Narrowed down the stop losses. Yeah, so now the stop was wow.
That's a good push. Now we have to break the equal lows.
Okay, guys. So it's trying to break the one to one. Rishi, if you not well, like you can go. Well, up to you.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Yeah. Get well soon, my friend. Get well soon.
Can someone make gold drop even more? Only a market maker can do that.
There are multiple rejections, but no delivery.
Call hedge funds.
Funds. That's God's boys.
Kashif, like, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, Rishi, I can hear you.
Yeah, yeah. Like Sam is asking you questions in chat. Like go to
Okay,
the
let me
private.
check. Private chat. Oh, okay. When will you get SL in the live session, Sam? There's not even a single session on Tradin when I had a stops. So let's see if we break that winning streak. You know what? Like I'm just gonna move my stop losses to break even. Yeah, there you go. Now even if it goes up, I'm not gonna say it's a SL. It's a break even. But yes, high possibility. There's a high possibility if it breaks this low, 4704. Mark this level, Sam. 4704. If it breaks low, like it's going to 4700. There you go. Now watch, boys. Okay. Okay. Come on. I'm making I'm making $7 live on this trade. $7. $8. Nice. I'm rich. Okay, breaking again. Now, this time, if it closes below, then you will see it taking in my lows. 4,700 I'll close because 100 pips. My entry was 4,710. I'm going to close right here at 100 pips. 9,500 pips. Come on. Please, do it. 100 pips. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. 80 pips. We're getting 80 pips right now. 4,702. Break it. Come on. Yeah, guys, I'm out. I'm out of the position, boys. 80 pips. Done. 80 pips. W's in the chat, boys. Live on stream. Sniper entry on Tradin. Woohoo! Made $11 live on this trade. Voila. Amigos. Okay, boys. I'm also gonna send in this in my community as well. Yes. Okay, the community is smashing W's in W's on the trading stream. Oh my god, look at this. Fucking 110 pips. There you go. Proper trade. Proper thought process, proper execution. Remember my name, guys. It's Cash here. Holy smokes. Man, it's going below this, plus 120 pips on YouTube. All right, Rishi, I'm done.
Yeah.
If there's any member of Trade-In, they want to ask some questions, and leave in the live chat. I'll answer, and then we will be concluding the session. Can you please explain this? I 2 and boom, we executed and we got a win. Should we call it a day, or we will stand to take the session on Discord? We call it call it a day. Yeah. So this is, you see the 30-minute time frame. I'm just gonna zoom out. There you go. Yeah, that was the thought. 200 pips coming, boys. Crazy, yaar, crazy. Beautiful. Beautiful. How do you take screenshots on the laptop?
Kashif, you there?
Yeah, Rishi, what's
Can you in the stream?
yeah, I'm here. What's up?
Like, can we end the stream?
Yes, we can end the stream. We had a big W, guys. Make sure to subscribe to Tradin. Make sure to leave a like to this session, uh, and also like every single day, chat and chart.
See you guys.
See you guys. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye.